Hello and welcome to Wheel Joint. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find the engine number and the chassis number on your Kia Sportage. Let's start by locating the engine number. The engine number is crucial for various reasons, including ordering specific parts and dealing with legal matters, such as insurance and registration. Under the hood, you'll need to take a look at the engine block itself. Look right under the throttle body. The engine number is engraved on the engine block, and it's a combination of letters and numbers. Here's a close-up shot of the engine number. It's essential to note down this number or take a clear picture of it, so you have it for reference when needed. Now let's find the chassis number. You'll find the chassis number right here, on top of the dashboard, at the base of the windshield. Look through the windshield from outside, and you should spot a small plate with a combination of letters and numbers. You can also locate the chassis number, as well as the engine number on the door frame. Open the front door and inspect the area where the door latches. You'll find a sticker there, and the engine and chassis number will be prominently displayed. Another place to find the chassis number is under the front seat. Slide the front seat back, and you will see a cut in the carpet under the seat, revealing the chassis number engraved into the metal. That's it for today's video on how to find the engine and chassis number in your Kia Sportage. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more helpful car tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe. See you in the next video.